On this episode, we're going to test out if these screws on these capsules will fix your flat tire just by screwing them on. So make sure you stay tuned. So what I gotta do now is take out the tire, and there's our nail. We got a little bit sticking out, which kind of helps us out a little bit, but if that thing is all the way in, you can get a flathead screwdriver, pry it out, and then get yourself some pliers to pull that nail out. Soapy water. See the bubbles coming out? And you want to spray other parts of your tire too to make sure that there's no air like this one. Now to get this out, use a flathead screwdriver to pry it up, to help you pry that if it's really dug deep in there. And just you get yourself some pliers. Take out the big boys, use the channel lock pliers. There we go. Oh yeah, that is leaking. You can hear it just leaking out. So I'm gonna try out this product and I'm not sure if it's gonna work. This is my first time testing it and I wanna see if it does actually work, and it's using these tire repair nails. So let's check it out. It's a lot. They come in these little tiny tubes. Each one is individually in a capsule and they're supposed to have some sticky stuff on there around each nail already, like so. Has some coating of a sticky substance around it. All you gotta do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to insert it. And wow. And there you go. It stopped. The leak stopped. You heard it for yourself. Let me unscrew it. There you go. Now, since I unscrewed it, some of that substance around, whatever that stickiness around the screw, came off. So I'm not going to reuse this because that's pretty much gone. So each one of these comes with a lot of them, like 50 of them. So I can definitely afford to lose one. And it comes with a screwdriver as well for you to insert it. So I'm going to go and put another one. Now I'm going to use the screwdriver they provided. You can hear that air and it just stops. I made it so that it's about an 1/8 inch deep lower on the treads. I'm going to mark this with a silver Sharpie so that we know exactly where it is. I know it might get erased, but I'm going to put a little marker here so we know where this screw is. So I'm going to mark it right here. So I'm going to go drive around and see how well it holds up air. Let me go put this back into its original PSI levels. Tire pressure for this tire is 35 PSI, so I gotta go and pump this back into 35 PSI, and I'm gonna go drive it around and see if when I come back, see if it is still at 35 PSI. Hey there friends, sorry to interrupt you right quick, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please kindly hit that like and subscribe button down below. It'll greatly help out the channel. And just like to let you know that we just created a Facebook page and we also have a TikTok page as well. So please, I'll leave both links on the description down below. Please subscribe to both of those pages. It'll greatly help out the channel as well. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the episode. right there. It's reading at 24. So right there, 35. So remember that mark, because after we drive, we're going to test back the PSI and see if it's still at that same mark. Again, friends, don't try this at home. This is for educational, entertainment purposes only. Do not try this at home. This is for a test for this video only. All right, let's check it out. See if it held. Still the same PSI. And let's check if there's any bubbles. Here is the part where it was punctured. Let's go take a look at it right there. Okay, so let me zoom in a little closer for you friends. And that's where the screw is. We're gonna spray our soap and water solution, see if there's any bubbles coming out. And I do not see any bubbles coming out from there. And I just drove about 3 miles. And there's no bubbles. Still nothing. Okay, so let me go now and check the PSI levels. There you go. We are still at 35 PSI. So there you have it, friends. These little tiny screws inside these little capsules actually work. They're only about 1/2 inch in length and about, I don't know, 2/8 wide on the screw heads. But man, it just proves that it actually works. I mean, I did the test for you guys. Again, I'm not sponsored by these tire nail screws. I got this off. I just saw this online and I was like, I want to try them out. And they work. I drove about 3 miles and they are working pretty well. So I think what makes these very effective are the resin or whatever that little sticky stuff around the screw is. Obviously, you shouldn't use this for a permanent fix. With anything that you do to repair your tire, safety always comes first. This should be used as an emergency use only. So in case that you're inside the road and you want to inflate your tire just for a quick bit and get a quick patch, this will act as a good band-aid to get you to the safe place to actually change your tire. And if you don't have a spare tire and you're running on your only wheel and you really need to use one of these, then go ahead and use it so you can get to the next safe area to get your tire fixed. Okay, friends? So again, this acts only as a band-aid, and don't use this as a permanent solution, in my honest opinion. If you're interested on these tire nails in the capsules, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Check out these Amazon link. I'll leave it so that you can try them out for yourself. And they're not expensive. They're very cheap. Let me show you again solution number 2. Now on this second option, how to fix a flat tire, I'm pretty sure you're very familiar with this product, and it's called the Deluxe Tire Plug Kit. It's by Slime. It comes with a complete kit. Let me show you how easily you can use this product. Let's go fix the same one. Let's unplug the screw out and we will repair it on the same hole. Okay, friends? Comes with the threader, the cleaner. Comes with multiple of these strips. Now each strip is made for individual holes. It comes with this plug bond. Okay, so now we're going to take our reamer tool, go in and out multiple times so that we can roughen it up and clean up and prep it up for the plug. Okay, there you go. Be very careful. You might want to use gloves on this, but it looks kind of like licorice. There we go. Plug bond, and you're going to apply some right in the middle, right here. So we're going to plug this right through and stop 2/3 of the way. So we're going to push it all the way through here. So we're going to stop right there, about 2/3 of the way, and then pull up. There you go. Let's clean up this plug bond. And then what I like to do is I like to take a little blade, little razor, and cut off the excess right here. When you install it and you start driving, this should level out And that's it. There you have it, friends. Those are two methods in how you can fix a flat tire on the fly. And if you're on the move and you don't have a spare tire, these are two great methods on how you can get your tire inflated and get to a repair center right away. These two are not recommended for permanent fixes. These are methods on how you can fix it so that you can safely get your vehicle on a repair facility. If you have any questions on this, please leave it in the comment section down below and let me know which method you like the best. For me personally, I really like those screw methods. Those are really cool. Those are fast. You can actually put those without even having to remove your tire on the vehicle. So that's a great advantage of those. Again, we tested it out and you saw the results. Let me know in the comment section what you think. But if you're interested on those screws and also in the tire fixer kit, I'll leave both links on the description down below. Check out those links and try it for yourself. And again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.